Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can create multiple streams of incomes with affiliate marketing. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. If this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can create multiple streams of incomes with affiliate marketing. Okay. The magic behind affiliate marketing is this is a business model that you can start doing as soon as today, because you don't have to worry about creating your own product, your own service. Someone else already did. You don't have to worry about, like, okay, what's the payment processor that I'm going to be doing, how I'm going to be collecting this payment with a credit card, PayPal. What about if people overseas are trying to buy? You don't have to worry about that. Someone else already took care about that. And customer service, you don't have to take care about customer service, you don't have to take care about refunds. Someone else did. Your idea here is that this is a business that, hey, you can start, as I mentioned, as soon as right now. So everything is start like, where are you gonna find the product? Okay, let me show you a really good marketplace. It's called Clickbank. By the way, it's just for some reason you are already aware of this marketplace and it's not available in your country. Don't worry, just go to Google and type Clickbank alternative. Okay, there is a lot of alternatives. This happens to be one of my favorites. Okay, that's the only reason what I mentioned. The other thing is that if you don't want to use a marketplace, you can also go to Google and type your niche plus affiliate marketing. Let's say that you're on the weight loss industry, so you can type weight loss plus affiliate marketing. Okay, that's it. You're about about traveling. You're about travel or traveling plus affiliate marketing. You're gonna have a lot of people who have products that you can promote. So don't let this stop you. Okay. So now let's go back on Clickbank, and just in case that you're just getting started and you don't have a niche, the top three niches are wealth, health, and relationships. Okay, these are the top three niches. Of course, they do have sub niches. My suggestion is to narrow down, like, okay, my focus is going to be on the health industry, but I'm going to be focused on women health, and maybe I'm just going to be focused on those women who are on the age between 30 and 50 that they are looking to lose weight. Okay, so as you can see, I narrowed it down because I need to understand that my product is not for everybody and it's harder. And if you are doing pay ads, it's gonna be, a lot of money that you need to put in if you really want to crush it and you do not narrow your selection. So now that you understand that the top three niches are health, wealth, and relationship, you can go ahead and choose. Let me show you here. And this is one of the things that I like about uh, Clickbank, if you speak another language other than English, you can use, for example, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese. Okay. If you're just getting started and you decide to go with Clickbank, make sure that you click here where it says must have affiliate tool page. Why? Because this tool page have everything that you need: the lead magnet, the keyword research, the demography, and other things. So they have everything. Remember, if you're just getting started, this is a cool way in which you can do it. And on the meantime, you can start, putting things together, like, okay, this product matched this audience, right? They already did the research, so I don't have to be wasting time or money. Okay, something that is really valuable. There is a lot of categories, so if you are not on the top three niches, as I told you, you can go with arts and entertainment, betting systems, business and investing, education, fiction, games. So if you're a gamer, hey, cool, go for it. Okay, so here are others like self-help, language, parenting and families, travel, sports, and others. So for example, I click here where it says health and fitness, and as you can see, I have addiction, beauty, dental health, exercise, meditations, men's health, nutrition, women's health, strength training, right? So I do have a lot of products is here, and this is the affiliate page. This is the page that I was talking about. So if you are just getting started, please make sure to click on this page. The top producers, okay, the top producers do have this page because they are really interested on your success. They really want to make sure that you make money, so that's the reason why they give you everything. Okay, so now that we have the product that we're going to promote, there is another thing that we need to take into consideration. It's the traffic source. Okay, a lot of people are like, okay, this product is going to help everybody. Everybody's going to say yes to this product. No, remember that I told you that you need to narrow. And the other thing is that you need to understand, like, okay, where are these people who are looking to buy this product? Okay, it's not that you're going to put your ad, for example, on Facebook and you're going to show it to everybody. No, you need to understand, like, for example, in my case, I decided that this is going to be for women between 30 and 50, and they are looking to lose weight. Most likely, I'm going to target the US because my product is going to be in English, or maybe I'm going to target US, Canada, New Zealand, English speaking countries. So, the same with you. Okay, you need to target people who are most likely about to say yes to this product because they are looking for it. Maybe they are not looking for this product specifically, but they know that they have a problem or a situation that they want to take care of, and they know that these kind of products are gonna help them. Okay, then you need to send them to your own opt-in page. Okay, let me highlight it, underline it, put it or make it bold. Okay, you need to send them to your own opt-in page. So that means that you are gonna be capturing people's name and email, or at least the email address. Why? Because I'm gonna reveal that in a moment. Okay, you need to capture people's email. In my case, I create all my funnels with a tool that it's called Builderall. I'm gonna leave a link below so you can give it a try for just $1. You're gonna have Builderall, and you're gonna have a lot of trainings on how to use Builderall. Okay, then you send them to something that is called a bridge page. Okay, what is a bridge page? Let me something I'm about to forget is the fact that on the opt-in page you need to give them something for free, something that is going to be related to the product that you are promoting. Let's say that my opt-in page is going to be something about a PDF that is going to be revealing the 3 hidden secrets why women are not able to lose weight. So wow, if they are like, hey, I want to lose weight, I want to know why, I have tried it before, right, and I have failed, I want to know what I'm doing wrong. You can put something like, discover what you're doing wrong and the reason why you are not losing weight fast or losing weight starting today. Hey, people are gonna be like, what I need to know this, right? Here you need to have now the bridge page, right? On the bridge page you're gonna let them know, like, hey, I already sent you the access to the ebook, the mini course, the video series to your email. But before you go, if you're really serious about losing weight, hey, this is a product that I'm gonna suggest you. If you're really serious, okay, click the link below. I have a special offer, a discount, or just mention the product so they can go to your Clickbank link or the product that you are promoting. Okay, so as you can see, you make the bridge. Okay, you make the bridge from something free to something pay, but you don't send them right away. Okay, people know, like, hey, yes, I really want this. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm paying with my credit, with my email address and my name. And on the bridge page, it can be a video. My suggestion is go ahead and do a video, but if you are scared to be in front of camera, okay, do like a small article and let them know that there is something more. If they are really serious, they're gonna take action. The reason why I have an email here is because not everybody is gonna take action right away. Okay? Not everybody's gonna take action right away. There are different reasons why they're not gonna take action. Maybe they're using their cell phones, maybe they're in the supermarket, maybe they don't have money right away. Things happens. Life happens. So you need to keep sending them email, reminding them about this product. Okay, so you can send them valuable information. You can send them maybe a discount code that you have for this product. But the most important thing here is that this customer, these leads, belongs to you. Okay, so if for whatever reason this person says like, okay, I don't want to be part of this. Okay, I don't want to be part of this. I'm not really interested in this product. You can let them know like, hey, I have a product B, I have product C, D, F, G, Y. Okay, so as you can see, you are growing your email list. Okay, so you have a database that it belongs to you. Okay, the bigger your email list, the easier it's gonna make, or it's gonna be for you to make the sale. In my case, I use Aweber to create my email list. I'm gonna leave a link below so you can give it a try. It's a 30-day free trial. Okay, so this is really important. If you are not building your email list, you are not building a business. Okay, you are just putting money to see what happens. And that's a reason why a lot of people fail with affiliate marketing, and then they say like, hey, this doesn't work, blah blah blah, and tons of excuses. I don't want that for you. I want you to have a real business. Okay, I want you to have a real business, and I want you to have a successful business. So you need to have a funnel builder. In my case, again, I use Builderall. You can give it a try for just $1, and you can use the email marketing tool that I use, which is called Aweber. So you can give it a try for 30 days. So let me recap. The very first thing is that you can go to clickbank.com, or remember, if Clickbank is not available in your country for whatever reason, just go to Google Clickbank alternative or type the niche plus affiliate marketing, right? The top 3 niches: health, wealth, and relationship. Try to niche down. Okay, now that you have the product, well, you need to think like, where are these people, right? Remember that the advantage is like, if you go to Clickbank and you have the affiliate page, they let you know how to target these people. You need to create your funnel. The very first thing is that you need to have an opt-in page in which people are going to be paying you with your name and email. Then you have a bridge page in which you're going to let them know that there is something more. Okay, not only the free, but there is something more, right? And you can invite them to click on the link below so they can access the order page. A lot of people are gonna buy from it, others don't. Don't worry, you have the email. You can keep promoting them the same product, give them valuable information, give them discount codes, or you can just go ahead and offer them other products. Okay, this is it for this video. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna help me, it's gonna help my video, it's gonna help my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.